Hello, this is Dr. Swati Suralkar. I am a breast cancer surgeon. Today I am going to tell you regarding the screening test for breast cancer. So there are many types of cancers in the body, but all cancers cannot be detected at an early stage. Few cancers are there like cervical cancer or breast cancer which can be detected at an early stage. Detecting cancer at an early stage is very important because then the treatment becomes easy and it can be completely curable, especially for breast cancer. So for breast cancer, the test available is called screening mammography. Screening mammography is the test which detects breast cancer at very early stage. It has been proven by many research trials that screening mammography reduces the mortality of breast cancer by around 30%. In many countries, it has been undertaken as a part of the government screening programs. So what is screening mammography? It is a special type of X-ray which uses low dose of radiation. According to NCCN guidelines, it should be done by all the women above the age of 40 years. So it should be done annually. Then what is screening mammography? What it shows exactly. So on mammography images, cancer is seen as a microcalcifications or mass in the breast. So there are advanced type of mammography which is called as 3D mammography or tomosynthesis, which gives better image resolutions. Sonography can also be done as an adjuvant to mammography, especially in women having dense breast. So mammography is called screening mammography when it is done in asymptomatic women, that means women having no symptoms related to the breast. It is called as therapeutic mammography when it is done in women having symptoms related to the breast, for example, lump in a breast or nipple discharge or any other symptoms. Mammography detects breast cancer at very early stage, like 1 to 2 years before it can be clinically palpable. MRIs can be done in very high risk women, especially women having genetic mutations like BRCA1 and BRCA2. So mammography can be combined along with sonography and MRI breast for screening purposes. So detecting breast cancer at an early stage is very important, and screening mammography is the test available to detect breast cancer at an early stage. So all women above the age of 40 years should do their mammography screening done as early as possible. So thank you very much. Stay happy and take care. Bye.